Welcome to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday, 21st of July. Well, we've got a positive risk appetite that has really flooded through markets today. We've seen some really strong moves through equities, breakouts on the DAX. We saw a breakout on the S&P 500 to multi-month highs yesterday. That's continued today with the futures, which are continuing to push higher early this morning. And that's translated through to strong gains through European equities. FTSE, such a laggard, isn't it? But still, you got the DAX, which broke out above 12,915, which was a key moment. And it still has got further upside seemingly today. Gold, 1825, that's a breakout. Silver, 2044, that's a really strong breakout. And that's my chart of the day. I'll talk about that in a minute. But generally speaking, risk appetite looking strong. Aussie dollar, 70.66. That is also a breakout. So, yeah, we're seeing some really strong moves across these markets. Another breakout. Oil, 43.95 on Brent crude. Broken through that in the last few hours. Yeah, we're seeing some of these moves really going now. The dollar, again, another breakout. Or breakdown, I should say. 95.70 was that old June low of the dollar index. We've now broken below that. So that really is coming and we're starting to see some traction. Euro dollar picking back a little bit. Nothing too decisive on that euro dollar trade yet. But we had a positive outcome from the EU Recovery Fund discussions. That's risk positive, but also euro positive. And we've also had the further updates on a COVID-19 vaccination potential. And again, that has produced good results, which again is driving this risk appetite move higher. So generally speaking, risk on, anti-dollar, dollar weakness still seems to be the way to play this. So there's no data today, and there's nothing really to change the narrative of the current session. But it'll be interesting to see what maybe happens when the US traders come in. But at the moment, certainly set up for a risk positive move. My chart of the day, as I said earlier, is silver. What a breakout on silver. What a run higher on silver. $12 back in March. It's now over $20. So that's an incredible move on silver. Way through resistance. It's taken out resistance after resistance actually in the last 2 weeks. 1836, 1894, and now 1964. That old September 2019 high. We're now going back to levels not seen since 2016. And the next real resistance doesn't really come in until that 2078, 2080 level and 2110. So some really strong moves we are seeing here on the silver chart. Now, a little bit stretched, you can argue 78 on RSI. So maybe you could get a little bit of an intraday correction or a near-term corrective move just to unwind some of that overbought potential. But what we've seen is silver. Sorry, that's not silver. XAG equals. Silver is still really strong on hourly and daily indicators. As I said, stretched on the hourly as well. So again, you could see a little near-term unwind. 1980 to 1984 area, maybe $20. Support area on a round number, but to be honest, any unwinding move that helps to renew this upside potential back towards some of these moving averages would probably be your opportunity if it started to build support again. So it looks good, looks strong, and silver certainly seems to be in a position where it's going to be on a good run higher still. Nothing really to stop it at the moment. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and also click to watch Trader Talks, our videos which give you some top trading ideas.